Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
So our journey continue with our kids. This time we are going to explore the largest museum in the world.
The museum, which is famous for its rich history and many famous collections. This is the place where we see iconic painting of Mona Lisa.
Yes,
We are
going to
Louvre Museum.
yes.
Well, no journey is complete without the problems and complications. So here we have one. We have a little setback as some of the train lines are under maintenance. Hence, we have been informed to take another train which will drop us to a different station altogether. Well, honestly, this was unexpected. Any which way is not a problem. We are taking a different train now. Uh, Due to the weekend, I believe the train is a bit crowded and our kids don't look excited at all.
Wow. This station is dedicated for the museum visitors. I can see many art copies here on the platform itself.
Well, there's a bit of a walk from here. I think it should take about 20 to 30 minutes to reach the main premise of the museum. So the subway leads us to the main road, and we are at the far end of the museum.
My children are delighted now. They are leading us to the entrance.
It is still a long way from the and from entering the premise to the main entrance of the museum. This is world's most visited and largest art museum. This is the perfect example of French Baroque architecture, best known as the home to Mona Lisa. The museum has the most impressive art collection in the world. Yet, despite of this, the tickets to enter is very cheap and inexpensive. They are sold at only 17 euros per adult. Children and seniors can enter for free.
Oh my god. I can see the iconic glass Louvre pyramid, which is designed by Chinese American architect I.M. Pei in 1988. Urban legend suggests that this piece consists of 666 pane of glasses, which is the sign of devil. But it is actually made of 673 glass segments and metal poles. Still today, it stands as France's most intellectual architect icons.
I think we took a wrong decision to visit the museum on the weekend. The queue is huge, but luckily we have got our tickets online, so we don't have to wait for this queue. Instead, we have been given special entrance on the other side. It took us only 10 minutes to enter the museum. And this is the place for all those visitors who have bought their tickets online.
Visiting this museum is one of the most enjoyable things by the art lovers. The size of this museum is approximately 73,000 square meters. The collection in Louvre are divided under 8 categories: Roman, Greek, Egyptian, African, Oceanic, Islamic arts, sculpture, and paintings.
The museum is in the possession of about 380,000 objects and arts, but only 35,000 is on the display. It is said that you will need approximately 4 months to cover the entire Louvre Museum if you look at each display only for 30 seconds. Considering you are doing this non-stop 24/7, you still need 4 months. Like us, millions of people around the world come here to pay homage to the true masterpieces.
There's a huge crowd up the stairs, and rightly so.
This is a famous statue called Winged Victory of Samothrace. This statue was discovered in 1863 by French diplomat and archaeologist. The height of this fabulous statue stands at approximately 6 meters. Stunning.
Everyone is lost in these magnificent pieces of art. Like us, they all are admiring these masterpieces. We just simply fail to understand on how do they restore these huge murals to keep it still fresh and original.
There are several impeccable works of arts by the most renowned European artists in history. This museum has vast collection of various work from different time periods and style.
The painting artwork collection roughly contains 5,500 paintings by 1400 artists born before 1900.
This section of the museum is generally the most crowded one, and it won't be wrong to say that the crowd puller is actually the Mona Lisa. And my family is standing in the queue to click the picture with Mona Lisa. This is actually expectation versus reality. The crowd is humongous just to see Mona Lisa here.
Look at us, we are hanging on each other.
This particular painting is the center of attraction for this museum. There are many facts and information related to this painting and the painter has been displayed in this room. So when you come here, you will see all this information hung on the wall. There are so many beautiful paintings. Just look and admire. I mean, I don't know whether this video can justify this or not, but in reality, it was mesmerizing. And no matter where you come from, you just cannot stop praising and appreciating the work of this legendary artist.
Apart from Mona Lisa, there are other iconic and famous paintings on the display, like Napoleon on the battlefield of Eylau, Raft of Medusa by Theodore Gilhoff,
And on the the same wall, we have another masterpiece depicting French Revolution in July 1830, Liberty Leading the People by Eugene Delacroix.
This is the painting of the Battle of David and Goliath, painted by the Italian painter Daniele da Volterra.
Well, when you take a walk, there are countless number of exhibits on the wall. It is difficult to cover all of them in a day's time, but I think fairly we have covered five of them, the major attractions in this museum. In this time frame, we have covered almost all the exhibits in the art section, which we are very happy with now. They have announced by 5:30 they are going to close the museum, so I think we'll move forward. We'll go to some souvenir shop, buy some gifts, and then buy some food before leaving.
Here is the souvenir shop where you can find quite unique collections of showpieces, magnets, books, and artifacts copies from great civilization.
What a beautiful scenic view this is from the top of the museum where the restaurant is located.
Since it was late, the options were quite limited in the food section. We took the best possible ones.
Really not sure which section was this, but it was closed due to summer.
Try coming on weekdays to avoid more crowd. Friday they are open till 9:45 p.m.
You can go on the website and check the timings of each day. Plus, you can also download the app and keep yourself updated of what is happening in the Louvre Museum.
Please do like, subscribe and comment. Your support motivate us to create more videos.
This is our second trip to Louvre and definitely not the last one. Like the previous and this one, we would like to have more memorable journey in Paris.
This is where famous movie Da Vinci Code ended, and this is where our Paris journey also ends.
See you next time on another journey and another adventure.